Good morning, students. In previous class, I have taught ASA congruence rule. In this period, I am going to prove AAS congruence rule. According to the rules, if two angles and any side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of statement two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles if any two pairs of angles and two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides and one pair of corresponding side are equal. Two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. To prove this theorem, to prove this rule, we draw two triangles ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and one pair side, and BC is equal to EF. To prove triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Proof. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. But angle A is equal to angle D, but angle D, angle D जोड़ angle E जोड़ एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी प्लस एंगल ई प्लस एंगल एफ इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, या डी डी कॉमन, ई कॉमन, या एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल एफ, या सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल एफ. Now, in triangle ABC, and triangle DEF angle B is equal to angle E, B is equal to E. Angle B is equal to angle E, BC is equal to EF, BC is equal to EF, and from BC is equal to EF, BC is equal to angle C is equal to, and angle C is equal to angle F from 1. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by ASA congruence rule. Proved. It was to be proved. A statement of AS congruence rule is two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. दो त्रिभुज सर्वांगसम होते हैं यदि उनके कोनों का दो युग्म और एक भुजा और संगत भुजाओं का एक युग्म दूसरे त्रिभुज के दो कोण और एक भुजा बराबर हो तो दोनों त्रिभुज सर्वांगसम होते हैं. या टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट इफ टू एंगल्स एंड एनी वन साइड ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल टू द टू एंगल्स एंड एनी वन साइड एंड corresponding side of other triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So we are given in triangle ABC and DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and one side BC is equal to EF. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Proof: we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the sum of the angles of triangle ABC and the sum of the angles of triangle DEF is also equal to 180 degree. Here, angle A is equal to D, angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle E. We are given. So putting अथवा एंगल डी प्लस एंगल ई प्लस एंगल सी is equal to angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal to 80 degree. Here angle D and E are common in both sides. So cancelling angle D and angle E, we have angle C is equal to angle F. Now in triangles ABC and DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, BC बराबर EF and BC बराबर EF and angle C is equal to angle F. We are proved before. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA congruence rule. So this is now in this chapter. Now we will start exercise 7.1 of I'm going to start exercise 7.1, and after that you can try to solve the questions of this exercise.